How to turn on Bluetooth on Windows. Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily turn on Bluetooth on Windows. First off, you're going to have to click on your taskbar at the bottom and then you'll find the Bluetooth icon. Just go ahead and turn this one on, and if you're still not able to connect to your device, the first thing you need to do is update group policies on your Windows device. Simply go ahead and go to the search bar, type in CMD. Now you're going to write this command called gp update, hit enter. Now it's going to update the group policy, and once the computer has successfully updated your policy, you should be good to go. From here, you want to go to the search bar again and search for services. Hit enter. From the services tab, tap on any one of them, type in B, and it's going to take you to Bluetooth. Go to Bluetooth support service, right click on it. Properties, make sure that the startup type is automatic. Click on apply and then OK. Do the same thing for all of the others as well. So let me just go ahead and head up here. Find the other user support service. Properties, do the same thing. Automatic, click and apply. And then OK. And you should be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.